Can I just squeeze by right now?
No! I said, give me that! He's one shot. That boy got some juice back there. Golly!
Gee whiz, I think I'm playing pretty good defense. Owie, my ankle!
And now for my next magic trick, the hurdle of doom.
Here goes Justin Jefferson putting on the burners. Oh, and look at that referee.
Hey, I scored a touchdown first.
You got a big fella that need you. Feed the man.
Achoo!
Cause I'm top. Ain't no one safe around here. Come here, rap. Man, Justin, I love you so much. I'd adopt you if I could. You ain't gotta do that, coach. Look at these big muscles. Oh, hey, relax. Hold on. Turn around. Oh, coach, you hit me too hard. Did I get Wingstop or Pizza Hut after the game? What about Taco Bell? Watch his defense. Ooga booga. Well, that didn't work. Excuse me. Watch me fly, kids. Come here, you. Cause it's your turn. Since Mario and Luigi. Let's go.